Many of us struggle with creating After Effects or motion graphics. That's why I made this video tutorial to give you an idea of how to do it using only a free application. Here, I will show you a sample presentation or video with After Effects. In this video, I will teach you step by step how to create an After Effects presentation. First, we need a background image and a subject image. Second, I will teach you the cat open motion graphics. Third, you will learn how to create the pop-up text effect. And fourth, we will add transition between all pages. Let's get started. First, open your Canva application, click on video, then select landscape mode. In our workspace, we will add our background. Go to Elements and search for a lemon image background. Click on Photos and you will find many image backgrounds to choose from. When you click on an image, magic recommendations will appear. Click on See All to explore more background images. Once you have selected an image, resize it until it covers page 1. Next, go to Position, click on Layers. Then select the white page background and change it to a dark color. To make the main subject image more visible, reduce the transparency of the lemon image background. Next, go back to Elements and choose your main subject image. Click on the lemon, then select Duplicate, and align them together. After that, crop both lemons. Make sure one image is cropped upwards and the other is cropped downwards. Once done, click on page 1 at the bottom. Then right-click and select Duplicate Page. Next, on page 2, simply open or move the two crop main subject images. Then, click on page 2 at the bottom again, right-click and select Duplicate Page. On page 3, we will now add text. In this video tutorial, I will use the word lemon. After that, go to color and change it to white. Next, go to font and choose Archivo Black. Then, resize the word lemon, like this. To make the text more readable, go to Effects, select Lift Effect, and adjust the intensity to 100. Next, duplicate the page again. On page 4, we will enlarge the word lemon. And join the two crop main subject images together. After that, duplicate again for page 5. Here, click on the text and move it to the left side, making sure the word month remains. Then duplicate the text and change it to the word day. We need to place the second text on the right side like this. Then duplicate page 5. Next, on page 6, we will now reveal or attach the word day. To make the After Effects presentation more engaging, go to Animate and select the roll animation. Go to Position and drag the text downward. Next, we will reduce the duration of each page. In my case, 2 seconds durations is fine. Here's the sequence we need. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, and page 6. Now, we will add the final page where we will insert our last text effect. Go to Text and type Routine. Go to Font and choose Alice Font. Then, go to Color and select White. To make it visible, apply the lift effect. Next, go to Animate and I chose the Shift animation for this text. Now, we have completed all our pages from page 1 to page 7. And I will now teach you how to add a nice transition effect. But before we continue with this tutorial, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel? Thank you. Now, back to Canva. Between page 1 and page 2, you will see the Add Transition option. Click on it. Then on the left side, you will find different transition effects. We will choose the Match and Move transition. Adjust the duration to 1 second and click Apply between all pages. After that, you need to check the all pages. Just click Display like this until the end to make sure the all pages is running. After that, go to Share, click Download, and select the MP4 video file type, then click Download. And there you have it, your own After Effects presentation. I have something I want to share with you, which are social media templates. If you have a business and want to create eye-catchy post template designs, I have made some specifically for food businesses. I have created 2 poster designs, a bestseller template, a food of the week template, a menu template, an online delivery template, a percent off template, and a try our new template. I have added the link in the description below, so just check it out. If you want to learn how to create a cartoon animation video, just click on this video and see you in my next video.